Hello friends, welcome to Woodworking Zone. Today is the day of the 14 Evergreen Woodworking Topics series. Today, we'll guide you through designing and constructing custom cabinets and shelves. From planning to installation, we've got you covered. Let's build something amazing.
One, Planning and design. First, measure your space accurately. Sketch your design or use software. Think about functionality and aesthetics. Do you need adjustable shelves? What style of doors do you prefer? Design with flexibility in mind, as adjustments might be needed later. Accurate measurements are crucial. Double-check everything to avoid mistakes down the line. 2. Choosing materials. Choose your materials wisely. Plywood is sturdy and cost-effective, MDF is great for painting, and solid wood offers a premium look. Also, select quality hardware like hinges and handles to match your design and budget. Consider durability and aesthetics when selecting materials. The right choice will enhance both the look and lifespan of your project. 3. Cutting and assembly. Safety first. Wear your protective gear and double-check measurements before cutting. Cut your pieces carefully, label them, and assemble the frame using wood glue and screws. Clamps are essential for holding pieces steady while you work. Ensure your frame is square by measuring diagonally from corner to corner.
4. Finishing touches. Sand all surfaces smooth. Start with coarse grit and move to finer grits for a professional finish. Apply your chosen finish, stain, paint, or varnish, in thin, even coats. Let each coat dry completely before adding the next. This step enhances the appearance and protects the wood, giving your project a polished look.
5. Installation.
Use a level to ensure everything is straight. Secure your cabinets or shelves to wall studs for maximum stability. A well-installed piece not only looks great but is also safe and durable. And there you have it, custom cabinets and shelves that add both style and functionality to your space. If you have any questions or tips of your own, leave them in the comments below.
In this video we told you building custom cabinets and shelves, design and construction tips. We hope you liked this video. And in the next video of this series, we will learn how to set up a functional woodworking workshop at home. Thanks till then. Subscribe or follow Woodworking Zone to learn about woodworking.